fishing.
Day
or
one.
Anyway, day one.
All right, Berkeley, what day are we on?
Second day.
Where are we at?
Canada.
What lake are we on?
Rainy Lake.
What are you fishing with?
Live bait.
Live bait?
Minnows.
How many you caught so far?
2. Well, today 1.
Today one.
Today 2.
Berkeley, what's your favorite bait so far?
I don't know. One I'm gonna catch fish with.
You think anybody watching might have some good information for you?
I don't know.
Okay. Turn around and tell them. If you got any good tips for me to catch fish in Canada?
Do you have any good tips for me to catch fish in Canada?
Comment. Let me know.
Comment, let me know.
What are you fishing for?
Fish.
You are absolutely correct. What kind of fish?
I don't care. Fish.
Okay. You just want to catch fish, huh?
Do you want to catch a minnow? We already have. I don't get fish.
Alright.
We caught smallmouth, pike, and pike.
Look at me.
Alright. Show me. Looking good.
Oh, please.
Come on, look at me.
I can't.
They heavy?
Yes.
Hang on, I gotta get sissies real quick.
Hurry! One last picture. Hurry! I'm about to drop.
You're not. It's good.
What's up, brother?
There. I'm not playing second. Take your shoes off. Oh my gosh.
You messed up.
Holy crap, dude! Oh my god! Come on. No, you just don't want to be in there to get eaten up by a leaf. That's fun to go get my shoe like you want to. Tommy, no. Tommy, I'll... Yeah! Tommy, bro, you can drop you.
You can touch.
Alright, Berkeley. On day 3? Alright. Still on Rainy Lake?
Yeah.
Yep, still on Rainy Lake.
And I haven't caught myself a fish yet.
Yep, well we're going to this morning, aren't we?
I don't know.
There's the first cast of the day. Berkeley, what's for breakfast? What is that?
Muffin.
For the breakfast of champions? Is that what's going to catch the fish today?
No.
Well, you better eat something that will.
They got me.
Oh, okay.
We just caught a pike. It looks like a big one.
Hopefully it's a keeper.
I hope so.
It looks like one. It looks like the one from yesterday.
Alright, let's get through it.
Alright. Let's go back a little bit. Gotta be under 27, and it is 24.5.
Just perfect.
Mama got a keeper.
Let's go. Okay.
Yeah, that did the same. I almost.
All those are slimy.
Yep.
Got it?
I don't know.
Don't let it drill into your.
I was thinking the same thing into his coffee. I'm so glad you didn't flip out of this boat.
No, you're not.
You had your phone in your hand.
It would have been funny if you flipped out of the boat, though.
All right, buddy.
Dad, I'm videoing.
Those things are slimy.
All right, we got one on, Berkeley. Keep it. There you go.
There you go.
Keep it down. I see it.
Oh, yep.
Oh, easy. Pull up.
Easy.
Pull. Slowly pull up. Mama got it. Berkeley with the first reel in.
Yeah.
Now I gotta catch it by myself.
All right.
Look at all the weeds it was in.
That's big enough. I know it.
All
How'd
right.
it feel reeling it in?
Hard.
Oh, we're gonna lose it.
No, do this, Mom. Do this. It can't come out if you just like bend it.
Got on weeds.
Dang, that's a good pike too. Good looking one.
I didn't know that it was gonna come off. There's what I'm looking for. Keep on. Keep coming. Oh, keep tension on it. Nope. Bring it here. That may be a smallmouth.
How little? That thing is
Mama got her little smallmouth.
huge.
All right.
I mean, it might be huge, but I was thinking like a pike. I need a big one.
Nah.
First cast right here, bub. Get on out there. Now reel. See what it's called.
All right. There it is. Not bad. Throw them in there.
But yours is bigger than hers.
All right, lip it. Put them in. All right, Mom's first smallmouth of the trip, and Berkeley's up next.
You got your phone.
Yeah. Oh,
Just put it down.
Mama's got one on.
Well,
Big smallmouth.
Another smallmouth.
Dang, you're over here.
I think we're gonna keep on. All right, bub.
That ain't mine. I did not catch that.
How about you trade?
Yeah, I want them. That's not count.
You still can't make it.